Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, our first snowfall of the season. I don't believe it. We're not going to get much. Us here, we're only going to get a dusting. Other areas are getting pounded right now. And I know you snow guys have, whoa, I got to be careful. It got super cold last night, so all of this snow is going to lay just fine. There were a couple things I wanted to look over on 4520N, snowblower, and the dozer blade. Let's go in the shop and take a look. Look at all of this beautiful Ventrac goodness. Now, since we're only getting a dusting, I doubt snowblower or even the dozer blade is going to do much good. However, we do have the KJ520 Narrow Broom. Perfect for conditions like this. Anyway, I was curious, with the KX523 snowblower, the 4520N, and the dozer blade, how long is this thing exactly? We're gonna find out. So I have two ways that I can measure this thing. I could either use measuring tape or the measuring wheel. I think today we're gonna use the wheel. I'd call that just an inch or so shy of 13 feet. Now, there is a difference when you adjust hydraulically the dozer blade. The 3-point on the Ventrac is one of the most indispensable accessories. Hey man, what's up? One of my great neighbors saw me standing out here, so I went across the street, talked to him for about 20 minutes, and I lost my train of thought, so I have no idea where we were. Now, in cold conditions like this, you always want to let hydraulic system warm up for a few minutes. Bring that oil up to temp before you move it around. It's actually not too bad in the shop, about 35, 36 degrees. We did get down into, whoa! We did get down into teens last night. This is really slippery out here. This is kind of treacherous. Now you saw how slippery these conditions are when I'm just walking on it, and I can stop on a dime with this machine. This is sure-footed, I'll tell you that. And those tires, by the way, have about 7 pounds of pressure each. Even though I'm not gonna be able to use the snowblower today, I am gonna hook up the broom and show you guys at least how effective that is in cleaning up this slippery mess right down to the pavement. And my wife's super special walkway, we'll get that too. I did this purely for the demonstration. Since I'm here at home and I don't move snow commercially, look how clean this is. It is so cold out right now. That's the thing. You move the snow off the surface and what tiny little bit of moisture is left on the ground is going to freeze immediately. And since I don't let salt anywhere near my equipment, you're never going to catch me using salt in applications like this. No way. I don't have any way to hose this equipment down when it's this cold out. It's just not possible for me to do it here. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.